Hey there vlog! Today is a Saturday, February 7. Just finished attending our anticipated Mass sa Epiphany of Our Lord Parish. Sobrang cute kasi during the Mass, si Father in-invite niya lahat ng married couples na mag-renew ng vows. So yung asawa ko kilig na kilig nung nire-renew ko yung vows. Diba, love? And today feels like negative 25 degrees Celsius. Whoa. Crazy. Para kami nasa loob ng freezer.
True.
Para kami mga tilapia.
Nani?
Sakit sa bangs! We are on our way to our favorite friends in Thornhill. We're gonna visit Ninong Carlo and Tita May. We're just gonna chill doon sa parang entertainment area nila. We're gonna play some pool. Mamaya baka durugin lang ako ni Kaloy. Kanina nakatulog si Kian, buong Mass, so sobrang nangalay yung braso ko. May excuse na agad tayo kapag natalo tayo sa pool mamaya. Nangalay kasi yung braso ko eh. See you guys in a bit! Hey!
Hello there.
Ay, wow! Thank you, tita!
Thank you!
Pakita mo kila Ninong, you know how to sit na, di ba? Wow! Sorry, wala po ako sa mood. I'm hungry. Ay, 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 si tita may magpakain sa'yo.
Kakain ka na?
Look at you, you're so taba.
No! Kumpara nung last. Na lumaki, no?
You know. Sige, sargo mo na.
Yung Yahoo email namin, hindi ko alam yung password.
Sabi. Okay.
Oh, ang lamig naman nun. Hintayin niyo ako. Sabi ko, hanapin ko yung ano ko, gagawa ko ng paraan. Sabi ko.
Ayos lang yung warm up.
Nabuksan mo na kuya.
Eh di sila na ang isasama mo sa mga heist. Ayun lang, bad shot. Pero may napasok ka, bro.
Ako hanggang ngayon, ang Monster Hunter ay solo lang.
Pwede ka mag-solo. Pwede ka mag-grind ng solo. Kia, ay, you have a new friend. Ikaw, titingin ka na ng chicks mo, ha? Klingin na kay... Uy, nice shot. Batch. You know. Hello. Balita, brother. Nakita kita sa parang mga reels, bro, ah. Tawan-tawa ako. Hi, Jen. Hello, hello. Ayos. Grabe ka naman.
Wait a minute!
Galit ka ba, bro? Ay, grabe.
Wow!
Swabe lang. Kanina pa inaantok. Grabe, nilinis po.
Nice.
Uy! Pero, hindi ko na-expect yun, ha? Ay! Doble. Uy! Grabe naman to! For Kian. Huwag tayo mag-joke. GG. Good game, good game.
Yan. Okay lang kahit sobrang sikip. Yan. Tapos sikipan mo.
Mag-billiards tayo with Ninong and Tito Job mo. Billiards. Sige.
Last game na tayo.
Sige. Kasama ko tong pangpaswerte ko.
ba?
Oo naman.
Ba, pwede?
Oo.
Isip ko paano kayo yung...
Kaya yan. Di na yuyuko. Ganyan na lang.
Wow!
Grabe, parang ko na rin nagbibilyo.
Turuan natin mag-billiards to. Teach them young. Gulat ka, no? Billiards with daddy.
Kaso medyo mahal. Actually, sa amin sa office, may kamay
Sinali sa taas eh.
sa tubig. Hindi.
Hinawakan! Bad trip! Kia naman eh! Teka, hirap tumira eh. Hinawakan. Ay, bad trip? Ay, na-shoot pa?
Tapos ikaw, baby, nakakanan.
Ay! Ay! Gigi, kala ko, hahabol na. Naging bato pa. Hi, Kian. Hey. Sweet mo naman, Kinang. Yummers. Itadakimasu. Panalo. Ang Kian ha.
No, no, no!
Eh, boss, nagkakanin sa...
Ay, sorry. Akin yung akin. Sorry.
Sorry, sa kape kasi ako nagsasawsaw eh.
Nani? Cookies at kape.
Sinasabaw niya kasi kape.
No!
Ayaw siya ng iyo, may luha pa.
Hey, sweet mo naman kay Ninong. Hey, bless my Kia. Hachi!
괜찮아.
Hachi!
Oo. Sabi talaga ni Carlo, sabi niya, gusto ko makita si Kia. Sabi ko, wow.
Yes! Ninong na Ninong, oh. Grabe naman yung Ninong mo, napaka-clingy.
Ikaw lang, sino yung nanam mo?
Si Carlo. Ikaw talaga yung nanap ko, bro, eh. Aba, oh.
Babay na nakikiyan mo. Babay na dapat.
Bye-bye. Ano mo nakikita?
May tip na ba siya?
Meron ng tumutubo sa ilalim. Ayan.
Ayaw makita.
Show your
Ano?
teeth. Yes. See you next week. Bye-bye. Sip na ang Kian. Thank you, Mommy. Lakas ni Carlo, lamig-lamig, naka-shorts tsaka t-shirt. Kala mo bibili lang sa tindahan eh. Oh. Okay. Bye, brother. Ayan na kami. Bye-bye. Ingat. Bye, Angel. Ingat. Bye-bye. Pakita mo kay Ninong yung car seat. Bye-bye. Bye ka na kay Ninong, ha?
Kunwari tumutulog.
Sorry. Para mas safe. Bye-bye, tita. Bye-bye, Ninong. Bye-bye. Hey there guys, it's February 13, a day before Valentine's. Muli tayo ng flowers for surprise kay wife. Sabi ko, iwan ko lang yung AirPods ko sa laundry. Kaya umalis ako. Nice. Iwan ko lang talaga to. Why are you laughing? Happy Valentine's to you.
Wait a minute.
Happy Valentine's to you. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's to you. Yeah, I love that.
Thank you, Kian and Daddy.
Of course. Oh. Open mo. Atukan mo na ako, di binibigyan ng flowers.
Sobrang tagal na siya ako nililinis ng flowers.
Maghintay ka kasi. Na-trauma lang ako dun sa last flowers ko sa'yo kasi ang pangit.
Sabi niya, guys, parang bababa na ako. Nawawala yung AirPods ko. Naiwan ko yata sa loob.
Kaya ayoko papakainin si Kian eh.
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Oh, buti na sakto.
Kaya ako nagmamadali ako. Sabi ko, Kian, bilisan mo kumain. Parating na yung flowers natin kay Mami. Medyo, hindi maganda yung timing mo Sabi.
Almost 7 years of love. 2 times saying I do. 1 beautiful blessing in Kian. And a lifetime still ahead of us. I love you, my love. Happy Valentine's Day. Love. Bye-bye!
Kilig ka.
Alright!
Alright!
Tema Kian. Tema May Christmas.
Christmas!
No tingin.
Happy Valentine's Day. Good morning, vlog! Today is a very special day kasi first, it's Valentine's Day! And second, it's Kian's 7th month birthday! As usual, magpipictorial lang kami. Then we'll go out for lunch. Probably do a quick grocery run. Costco na naman Naka-ready na si baby boy for his pictorial. Hey! Hey! Good morning, my Kian ka. Ay! Ay! Oh! Wow! You are pasikat! Very good! Now, picture na tayo, ha? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Mommy. Kian! Kian! Smile! Smile! Kian, smile! You are 7 months na. You are so old. Approve na kay Mommy. Very good, Kian. So lambing naman. Let's see. Oh, may surprise si Mommy sa atin,
Look at the camera, Kian.
Wow, may pa-flowers ka pa. Wow, Kian, look. Thank you, Mommy. What's this? Happy Valentine's Day, hubby. Aww. Thank you, my love. How about this one? Pati si Kian, man. Happy first Valentine's Day, Kian. Aww. Thank you, Mommy. You're so sweet naman.
So baka.
You're so bango daw. Wow. Thank you, Mommy. Sweet naman ni Osawa. Sweet naman. Did you say Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy? Thank you, Mommy. You're cute and funny, bright and sunny, sweet as honey, too. Happy first Valentine's Day, my son. May you always grow with a loving heart and a kind soul towards everyone around you. I love you, Mommy and Daddy. Aww. And there could never be a Valentine more love than you. Thank you, Mommy. Tayo naman ang kikiligin. Shit, ano to? May checker ba dito? Shut up mo Happy Valentine's Day, love. Yeah! Pushing me to believe in myself, even when I doubt. There was never a doubt, guys.
True.
You make me feel special. Nani? Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Hey there, vlog! We are on our way to have Valentine's Day lunch. Hindi alam ni wifey kung saan tayo pupunta. Gusto ko siyang i-surprise. Wow! So, hindi tayo nag-waste dun sa head unit natin. Minemorize talaga natin navigation para pagkakita niya, oh my goodness! Oh my God, you're taking me here? Love that. Mag-lunch lang kami, then chill night na lang sa bahay. Join us as we celebrate our first Valentine's Day with our baby boy. Right, may Kian? Kita ba si Kian? Ayun si Kian, We are here. August 8, dim sum and sushi. Kaya August 8 yung pangalan. Baka birthday ng may-ari. Huh? Or baka kasi 88, lucky number. Daming alam eh, no? Sleepy na ang Kian. You're so lambing naman kay Mami. Sobrang convenient, guys. May tablet lang where you place your orders. Oh, nice. Only dim sum and sushi. Best of both worlds. Sarap. Ayan, dami natin order, guys. Yummers. Ay, you are so clingy naman to. Aww. You're so sweet naman. You say Happy Valentine's Day, Mami. Yung sweet mo naman. Ako din later, ha. Hug mo rin, Daddy, ha. May gift sila, guys, for Valentine's. August 8. So cute. Ako. My favorite dim sum. Yummers. Not bad, not bad. She loves the mango slush. Ito na, intriga lang ako eh. Taco, sushi. Fusion. Scallop teriyaki. Steak teppanyaki. Nice. Ito na, guys. Look at that salmon and tuna. Itadakimasu. Spicy salmon maki. Let's try their nigiri. Ooh, yeah. May laban. Yeah. Tuna. Yellow bao. Tempura. I mean, of course, not the best. That's all you can eat. But for its price, worth it. Like $32 per person without tax for their lunch menu. Not bad.
Isn't that amazing?
Done! How's the food? Good. One of the best, actually. I mean, we paid like $37 each with tax na kasi may $5 coupon kapag nag-download ka ng app. Pretty good deal. Nakiyan. Let's go inside the car now. Next stop, where are we, Kian? Panda Mart. Maghanap lang kami ng plant stand kasi hindi kami nakabili before. Let's go inside. Damn. So big. Besh, ang laki. Parang Costco Timo version. Ang laki. Daming plants, oh. Ito lang yung plant stand nila, guys.
Oh, no!
Putol pa yung isang pa. Oh, wow. Nice! Nakakalula. Ang dami. Ang laki ng Panda Mart. TNT na tayo. Okay, Kian? Last stop. TNT Supermarket. Di na sumama si Wifey at Kian kasi sobrang napagod si Kian. Sleeping na sa car. So, bilhin tayo ng pang-merienda for tomorrow dahil we will be having special guests. Sila Ninang Janine and Tito Ritin will visit us. Nice. So, bilhin tayo ng pang-chokboki and pajon. Pajon ba? Basta yung Korean pancake. Hey there, guys! Kanina pa kami nakauwi, nag-rest lang. Today is a very peculiar day with our son kasi ang daming nangyari.
Oh, no!
Hindi namin i-disclose lahat kasi baka magalit siya sa amin in the future. But ko daw ino-overshare yung mga nangyari. But we're still happy and grateful kasi mukhang tawa na siya ulit ng tawa. For tonight, we are just gonna blow his candle. Then, mag-sleep na rin siya kasi he is not feeling well.
괜찮아.
Blow natin yung candle niya. Okay. He has birthday cake from TNT. Panda Chocolate Mousse, I think. Valentine's edition. Nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, my love.
7 months na.
Yay!